How to open YouTube Studio in Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first open up any browser you have. Here I'm choosing Google Chrome, and on the search bar what you're going to type is YouTube Creator Studio. So just type YouTube Creator Studio and then tap on the very first option that we have of YouTube Studio. So it will lead you to the home page of youtubestudio.com. Wait for a while and there you go. Here's the YouTube Studio homepage for you on the Chrome, and you can perform any activity that you want in the Chrome as well that you would otherwise do in your PC or your laptop. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. See you next time.